Hello everyone, it's Phil from Projector Reviews, and behind me is an amazing new screen from EPV Screens. It is called the DarkStar UST 3 Elevate. And today in this video, we're going to talk about this screen and how it can deliver an immersive image day or night utilizing a ultra short throw projector. So today we're going to be talking about a new screen from EPV Screens called the DarkStar UST 3 Elevate. The first time I saw this screen was at CEDIA 2025 in the Epson booth, where EPV had partnered with Epson to demonstrate a massive ultra short throw based system. The version in the Epson booth was actually 150 inches, and they were utilizing Epson's new QS100 ultra short throw projector, which can deliver 4,500 lumens of brightness. The screen combined with the Epson projector delivered an amazing image, which is why we actually gave the screen a CEDIA 2025 Hot Product Award. We also did a video about the EPV Screen Epson projector combo, and you could check out that video where I talked to Jeff from EPV Screens as well as Melvin from Epson. For those who are not familiar with EPV Screens, they make screens for custom installation, and they offer both fixed and motorized solutions. They also have a wide range of screen materials, so whether you're looking for a ceiling light rejecting material for an ultra short throw screen, or maybe an acoustically transparent solution for your home theater, EPV Screens has a solution for you. For my home in this application, the best solution was the DarkStar UST 3 Elevate. This is a motorized tab-tensioned floor rising screen system, and it is currently available in three sizes: 126 inches, 140 inches, and 152 inches. The unit sitting behind me is 138 inches. I've always been a big fan of uprising motorized projection screens. This is because they're quite easy to install because they don't need to be mounted on the wall, and they disappear when they're not in use. This type of screen is great for my own personal application because my dining room and living room is pretty much all windows. And we were looking for a large screen solution that would deliver a great image during the day or at night, which would disappear when it wasn't in use. EPV Screens sent me a 138-inch version of this system, and it showed up on a very long pallet. Even unpacked, the screen case was around 11 feet long. While the screen was not very heavy, it did require two people to maneuver it into my home and into position because of the length of the cabinet. The screen system uses a scissor back spring riser, and it is tab tensioned to ensure that the screen remains taut. The screen comes with both an IR and RF remote control, and it also comes with a detachable wall box controller, which is connected to the screen using a RJ45 cable. Since EPV Screens specializes in screens that can be utilized in custom install, this screen can also be controlled via a 5 or 12 volt trigger. The vertical rise of the screen is programmable, so each time you press the up button, the screen will rise to the proper height for your ultra short throw projector. Below the screen is about 12 inches of black masking, which is perforated, which allows you to put speakers or a soundbar behind the screen. Once the screen was placed in the desired position, I basically just plugged it into the wall, placed the projector in front of the unit, and pressed the up button on the IR remote control. I then programmed the proper vertical rise and spent a few minutes aligning the projector to the screen. The projector I utilized for testing was the Hisense L9Q. This is their flagship 5,000 lumen tri-laser ultra short throw projector. The DarkStar UST 3 ceiling light rejecting material combined with the brightness of this ultra short throw projector delivered a very good looking picture even during the day. And when I'm done watching content, I just motorize the screen down and I get to enjoy my beautiful view again. As you can see, I'm utilizing this screen in the middle of the day, and that is because of the screen material utilized in the system. It is EPV Screens DarkStar UST 3 ceiling light rejecting material. This material is designed specifically for ultra short throw projectors, and it has a gain of about 0.8. It has a micro-ridged surface which is designed to absorb 85% of overhead ambient light while still providing a wide viewing angle. The benefit of an ambient light rejecting screen is the fact that it helps increase your black level even in a room that has lots of light. And you can see when I compare the matte white material to the DarkStar UST 3 material, there is a noticeable difference in black levels. Since the DarkStar UST 3 material has a gain of 0.8, the image was slightly brighter utilizing the matte white material. But with 5,000 lumens being provided by the L9Q, the image still looked vibrant. I am more than happy to give up a little bit of brightness to achieve darker black levels, which gives me higher perceived contrast. Since the DarkStar UST 3 material has a very wide viewing angle, I did not notice a drop off in brightness whether I was viewing the image from my living room or from my dining room. This screen works great in my living room because, as you can see, it delivers a vibrant looking image even during the middle of the day. This video is actually being recorded in my room around 2 p.m. So by combining this 138-inch screen with a bright ultra short throw projector, you end up with a large image that you can enjoy during the day and looks spectacular at night. So overall, I was quite impressed with the EPV Screens DarkStar UST 3 Elevate system. It delivers a great looking image, it is simple to install, and it disappears when it's not in use. The fact that it's available in 3 sizes all the way up to 150 inches means that you can enjoy an incredibly immersive image utilizing a modern ultra short throw projector. And you can enjoy that experience day or night. To learn more about the DarkStar UST 3 Elevate, check out our review on projectorreviews.com or check out EPV Screens for more details. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.